Hey guys, Ford Man here. I know it's been a hot minute since I did a taste test video on my channel. It's life has been kind of up and down like a yo-yo, pretty much. And but anyway, hopefully I'll be able to put out more videos here pretty soon. I don't know, but anyway, but anyway, I wanted to do a taste test video on cranberry, cranberry bean and garbanzo bean soup with ham and onions in it. I actually took the ham that Scott from Kicking It Country had given me for around Christmas time. I had taken the ham bone from it and cooked it up, and some of the ham from it, and put it in some crock pot and cooked garbanzo beans and chickpeas and cranberry beans and onions together. Ham in there. It smells really good. It's been cooking all day. I've had it cooking in the crock pot on low all day. So I first started out on high, but when I went to go sorry guys, this cough where I've had the COVID, yeah, I said it, COVID, it just will not go away. But anyway, it's garbanzo beans, cranberry beans, and onions and ham. And it smells really good. I'm going to do a taste test on these guys. Taste test, here we go, guys. Guys, on a scale of 1 to 10, guys, this is definitely a 10, and it will make your tongue slap your brain. As a matter of fact, I think this is actually, I could be wrong. Dad can correct me on this, but I think this is actually my first time ever having cranberry beans. I don't think I've ever had cranberry beans before, but it actually turned out really good. I've had garbanzo beans before, but I just don't think I've ever had, I've had garbanzo beans and chickpeas, but I just don't think I've ever had cranberry beans before. But it actually turned out really good, guys. And I've actually got some still left in the. I've got leftovers for what last me good couple of days. So, but anyway, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get off here and enjoy the rest of this. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys. 2 thumbs up and definitely a 10, and it will make your tongue slap your brain. Bye, guys.